Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare sauerkraut with red cabbage. So let's begin with the video. Here I have one red cabbage. You can use the regular green cabbage as well for this recipe. I am going to cut this into half and then roughly chop it into tiny pieces. You can cut the cabbage just like how you cut them for cabbage fry. So here I have one whole cabbage. You can increase or decrease the quantity based on the quantity of sauerkraut that you want to prepare. Here I have 2 green chilies and some garlic cloves. We'll roughly chop them and add it along with the cabbage. We'll keep everything in a big container. We'll add salt and we need to mix everything well by pressing it with our hands as hard as we can, because this will help to release the excess water from the cabbage because we have already added salt, and this is what is going to help in fermentation of the cabbage. So you really need to put all your efforts and press it while mixing it with the salt. You can even add onions, carrots, radish in this if you prefer that. So once done, keep it aside for about 1 or 2 hours. After 1 or 2 hours, it is going to release excess water. And if you think that the cabbage has not released excess water, maybe because you did not put a lot of force while mixing it, then you can simply transfer it in these kind of glass containers and press it like this just to make the upper surface flat. And here I'm taking some water and will add some excess salt in this. Give it a real good mix, and once the salt absorbs, then you can add this water into the container. The only thing is that the cabbage and all the other ingredients, it should be covered in water. So you need to add excess water so that everything is underwater basically. So even if it has not released water, you can add excess water like this by adding a bit of salt. And then we'll cover the lid and keep it in the pantry unit. And after about a week, this is how it looks. It is ready to be consumed. Its color will change a bit, but yes, this is what our fermented cabbage looks like. Apart from the nutritional benefits, this also tastes really good. You will get like this vinegar like taste in it. You can serve it with lunch or dinner. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.